And now it's time for everybody's favorite game show, Name That Sound. And here's your game show host, Ward Zero. Thank you. Yes, welcome to Name That Sound, one of the most fun game show in the world. And here we have our today's contestant, Norbert. Hello, how's it going? Nice to see you. How are you doing? Good to see you. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you? Are you ready for today's crazy stud? I think so. Is it going to be great? It's going to be great. Here's the ages. You have to guess 3 sounds before time runs out. You only have 2 minutes to guess 3 sounds. Oh, great. Alright, here's your time. And what is the sound? Is that fire truck? Yes, it's a fire truck! Alright, now, here is your second sound. Is that a dog? Yes, it's a dog! Okay, now here is your third and final sound. You only have 45 seconds to answer it. Are you all ready? I'm sure am. Here is the sound. Is that a train? Yes, it's a train! And he does time. And here's your sprite behind the curtain. An all-expense rate expenses trip to Six Flags Great Adventure. Well, that's great. Well, you're great. Let's get packing. You're invited by 4 more friends. Parsley, Cincinnati, Maynard, and Bernice, you can come. But you can come too. Really? I can come too? Oh, good. Anyway, this is Ward Zero saying, join us for another episode of Name That Sound. This is Ward Zero saying, so long for now.